now and again you'll hear me talking about the bones of the garden. These are the foundation plants. This is Nicholas Stadden from Monrovia Nursery, and we're going to talk about landscaping with lilacs. Having a great time here sitting amongst the plants. I'm going to have to digress really quickly because I know you're saying, what are those bushes on his left? This is a great juniper called Sea of Gold, and the companion plant is a cotinus or a smoke bush called Royal Purple. Look how beautifully they work together. But we're here to talk about lilacs. The variety on my right is called Donald Wyman, hardy as all get out. Zone 3, I'm even told down possibly to a zone 2. That's a very hardy lilac. This plant came from Oregon, that's where she was grown. We're in May, and you can still see that she has some buds or blooms with her. So in the colder region, she's going to be a great plant for you, a larger leaf variety. So when you're landscaping with lilacs, they're a foundation plant. Once you put a lilac into your garden, it's going to be there for a great many years. So look at the label, find out what the color of the flower is. They go from purples, blues, whites, there's some real wine red varieties. Declaration, which is a newer variety from the National Arboretum, actually starts off a wine color and then goes to a powder blue. Just a striking plant. If you really live in the warmer parts of the United States, let's say down in Southern California, there's a great series of lilacs that came from Descanso Gardens, Lavender Lady, Angel White. These are varieties that bloom in very, very low chill areas. There are some new repeat blooming varieties called Bloomerang, and these will bloom right the way through the growing season for you. The size of lilac that you buy for your garden is very important. You have a small garden, then you need a lilac that you can keep well maintained. If you have a large garden, then you can use something like Donald Wyman, and he'll get about 10 foot tall and pretty wide as well. So lastly, this is why lilacs are so important in your garden, is they produce gorgeous, sweet smelling flowers. And you can harvest these flowers and you can bring them indoors, put them on the kitchen table, you can give them to a friend. They are a trumpet. They herald spring. They're one of these early blooming varieties. So if you don't have a lilac in your garden, figure out where to put one. So for those of you that have been listening and you don't have any lilacs in the garden, I would put a pound note that you will be dashing off to your local garden center to find the lilac that suits your needs. This is Nicholas Stadden from Monrovia Nursery on Landscaping with Lilacs.